area, and now we are in Ubud. So we can see together how busy the street today. And now we are in Monkey Forest Street. Hello. You see? There is so many tourists, isn't it? Yeah, there is also tourists in cafe, restaurant. Oh, sorry, the zoom is bad quality. Many tourists in Ubud now. A lot of tourists stay in Ubud now. That's good. See the front right there? Exactly at the corner, there is a Ubud Palace right there. See tourists, they did some shopping, and also this one. Yeah, so many tourists in Ubud now. It's quite busy now. Okay, let's walk around a little bit. I make a zoom. Yeah. See some tourists there? Yeah. Exactly at the corner there is Ubud Palace. I'm so sorry I can't walk too far away because today I'm dropping my customer from Singapore. So I'm just waiting inside the car. You see? Hello. Hello. Too beautiful for me. Yeah, you see? There's also on motorbike. There is some tourists driving motorbike in Ubud now. Also that one. Yeah. Another one. It's big, isn't it? I guess like more than 90% Ubud shop are open now. Yeah, now Ubud get its traffic jam. See this area? This looks so busy, isn't it? That's really good. Hello. Another tourist motorbike. Yeah. It is so many now. I'm really happy because today I can explore Ubud for you. And Ubud now starting wake up. A lot of tourists in Ubud. See? Oh my God. I think they come from Singapore. I can see from the action. Yeah, they are Singaporean. Oh. Finally, Ubud get busy again, back to normal. That's really good. That's just really good. Actually, I already updated this area a few months ago, so you can compare how different the situation a few months ago and today is big different. Now it's very busy. Actually, I be around 300 meters from central of Ubud, from Ubud Palace. This is really good news for tourism business in Bali now, because we are back now. And as I told you, there is more than 90% are shop open in Ubud. So don't worry. If you want to stay in Ubud, you can stay in Ubud. Restaurant also are open. Hello, Morocco. Karim, why today? Yeah, Ubud getting back now. It's so busy in Ubud now. So many tourists. It's a big difference than a few months ago. Karim, you can come to Bali now. It's your turn. Bali getting busy now. More tourists in Bali now. Yeah, Karim. When you will come to Bali? Legian also, a lot of shops are open now. It's big change for Bali now, very quick. And the next month, in June, July, will be full of the tourists for Bali. Because I got a lot of customers already booking ticket flight to Bali. Yeah, soon. I hope so. Today I've been long driving. I go to Lake Bratan today, long driving. And now my customer from Singapore, and he's just doing some shopping in this area. So I just update how the situation at the moment in Ubud area. And now I'll be around 300 meters from central of Ubud. Just not so far. At the front right there is Ubud Palace. You can account, Karim, how many tourists today on this video. It is so many, isn't it? That is good. This is also from India. Kuchuku Hotahai. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Ubud area. And now we are about 200 meters from central of Ubud. Yeah. Good news, Bali getting back now. And will be recovered very soonly. Thank you Karim for watching my video. And see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.